If you look over here, you will discover that this app has 4.4 ratings on Play Store. Look at it right here. 4.4 ratings on Play Store. Then if you also look at this is someone that has used the app and has given his review. He said this is a great app to earn a little extra money by playing games and completing offers. They also typically pay more and all of that. If you also come here, after using Lootup for a week, I found it to be a decent money earning app. The surveys and offers were varied, but payouts were modest. These are people talking about this application, meaning that for it to have 4.4 ratings on Play Store, it means it is something that we can try out. If you want to know what this app is and how you can leverage on this app to make something for yourself, then watch this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So all you need to do is to head over to the comment section, to the description box rather, and then click on the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you right onto this interface. The first thing that you will do is to sign up with your email address. You choose a username and then you also select your password. Then you go ahead to click on that box. I am at least 18 years, and then you also agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on sign me up. There are other routes to registering on this platform. You can go through the Google route, or you can use the Facebook route, whatever works for you, whatever suits you. But I'll always say go through the email or your Google route. Just do what suits you, and then when you are done, you will be signed up immediately. The moment you sign up, this is what the interface is going to look like. It is very user friendly and all of that. So let us see how to earn on this website. But before that, let me tell you the name of the app. So the name of this app is Lootup. This is it right over here. Okay, so let us walk around the app and see what it is like and all of that. So we go to the status bar. Right here, I'm supposed to verify my email address. So you ensure that you verify your email address. I'm sure when you registered, they sent you an email that you need to verify. Okay, so you just click on it and then you verify. It will bring you back to this interface. Okay, so you see that we have level 0 here, and then we also have level 1. So this is a new account. We just created it. I haven't done anything on the account yet. So let us see the first thing that we are expected to do right here on this app. So right now, the moment you verify your email, you're going to be getting plus 10 points. Okay, so let us quickly do that and see how true it is. We just got our accounts verified and we've gotten our 10 points. Look at it right over here. So which means it was very true. So complete your profile to get 25 points. To complete your profile, just click on that complete profile. It will bring you to this interface. So you add your name, your last name, and then of course your date of birth, all those details. You guys, you can see that to complete our profile, we have to answer 14 questions, and I do not want this video to be long, so I'll just leave you to do all of that for yourself. I'm sure it is very easy, but if you encounter any issue while navigating this part, do well to drop it in the comment section and I will treat it urgently. This video up to this point, I don't know why you haven't subscribed yet. You are not a subscriber. Please, you're getting value, do well to subscribe. And if you've watched up to this point as well, it also means that you are getting value. So let me know that you're getting value by smashing the like button, and also get to the comment section. You could just write, yeah, I'm getting value. Let me know that you did, so that I know if this kind of content interests you or not. Very simple, and thank you very much. I love you. Okay, so yeah. So another thing I discovered about this platform is that if you want to have a seamless, flow of access, you have to download the application. But before we talk about downloading the application, obviously it's on Play Store. If you're using iOS, you know where to also get that. Let us keep looking at the app. So right now we are on level 0, and then for us to be able to, get to a level 1. You can see we're already on level 0 now. For us to be able to get to level 1, we need to get like 1990 points to take us to level 1. But that doesn't mean that if you're in level 0, you can't retrieve your money, you can't cash out your money. You can always remove your money whether you're in level 0 or not. So another way that you can also make money from this app is through referral earnings. We already know the legendary referral earnings. So right here, they are saying that if you refer up to 1 to 500 users, you will get 10% of their earnings. And of course, if you invite over 500 users, you get 15% of their earnings, but that's not a must. So all you need to do is to scroll down and get your referral link. WhatsApp status, you can paste it on your Instagram. If you're on YouTube, you can, talk about it, you can review it and tell your subscribers to, sign up using your link. You can paste it on all your social media handles, TikTok. With that, you get a lot of, traffic, and a lot of people get to use your link, and then you earn your commission. It's a win-win for everybody at the end of the day. Okay, so let us go to the earn section so that we can see what it looks like as well. We've been here before, I know. So they have featured offers, they have surveys, they have gaming offers, they have sign up offers, and they have free offers as well. Okay, so if you come on here, I don't want to go through all of these. So let's click on survey and let's see the kind of surveys that they have. So look at it. These are all the surveys. These are not all the surveys. That's from this particular part. So you're seeing Sint. If you finish this survey, you get 500 points. You finish this one, you get 200, you get 500. There are a lot of them. Just click on a particular brand and it will open up different surveys, and you see the one that you can quickly complete. Look at what this one looks like. Okay, just go through it. It's your app, it's your phone. Go through it, all right, and see what works for you. Tweak it around. If you have any issue, you drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to it. So the most important thing here is the redeem. I know you can't wait to get there, but let us take it one step at a time. Don't forget, aside surveys, they have gaming offers. So just come over here and walk through this, watch videos and get paid, free offers. Just come over here and then see what works for you and just deal with it and just do exactly what you can do. Mobile app offers, look at this. 80 points, 800, 8,000 points. If you successfully play this game, you are going to be making 8,263 points and all of that. There are a lot of games. So instead of you just playing games for free, you can come over here, play games and make some cool money for yourself. Maybe not something much, but something to get by the day. All right, so they also have giveaway packages. You can click on here and participate. Casino, just have fun, contest, and then the oga pata of them all, the one that you couldn't wait to get to, is redeem. So let us see the threshold for withdrawal. Okay, so the threshold for withdrawal right here. Okay, let us take it one step at a time. They have three payment method. The first one is crypto, the second one is PayPal, and the next one is gift card. Okay, so you redeem your Lootup points for cash via PayPal by entering the appropriate details below. So let me also say this: if you are looking for ways to make money online and you do not have a PayPal account, I feel like it is something that you should get. It is very important because most of the times you may not be able to get paid if without you may not be able to get paid except maybe you have a PayPal, which is like the general payment method for all of these foreign making money online websites. Okay, so try to get a PayPal address. Yeah, it is not working in Nigeria, but we've tweaked it, and go and do your research and know how to go about that. Okay, I don't think I want to talk about that on my channel, but if need be I can, but maybe not just right now. So you see, the balance here, my balance here is just 10 points, and 1,000 points equals to $1, which is very fair because we saw surveys for 500 points, we saw survey for 200 points, and of course for the gaming section we saw something that is over 8,000 points. So why not? If you complete like 2 to 3 surveys in a day, there's no how you're not going to be making your $1. And the threshold for withdrawal here is $1. Very easy. I don't know why you are not going to register on this. Later today, I'm going to, do my full registration and see what I can make out for myself from this app. Okay. So if you're using crypto, it's very simple. You can redeem your points with crypto. So they are using BitPay. So all you need to do is to sign up, with BitPay. Just do the registration. It's just minimal, okay? Do the registration, then you click your points here, and then you put your BitPay email address, and of course you click on confirm. Then you get your point converted to crypto, and of course if it is converted to crypto, you're going to be receiving it as dollar, and then you can sell it to naira or to whatever currency that you use. So if you're using PayPal, it's the same thing. You just come over here, put your point here, put your USD, and then your email address. That's your PayPal email address, and then you click on confirm. They also have gift cards, so it's the same thing, nothing new. The gift card that you're interested in to use, your email address, and then you go ahead and you click on confirm, and that is it. You get your money, whichever payment method that you desire to use. So that is that about this platform. They pay. Do they pay? Yes. Will they pay you thousands of dollars? No. So yeah, you can come on here and then see what you can take home for yourself, just like I am going to do. So you guys, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you got value as usual. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you also liked this video, which I know that you did, that is why you're watching up to this point, do not click out without smashing the like button. Tell me that you like this video by smashing the like button, and of course do well to subscribe, and tell me in the comment section that you are a new subscriber. Let me send you a special hug. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.